On February 24, 2025, Apple Incorporated made a significant announcement detailing its plans to invest over $500 billion in the United States over the next 4 years. This investment, which is the largest in the company's history, is aimed at enhancing American innovation, particularly in the fields of artificial intelligence, AI, silicon engineering, and advanced manufacturing. Key aspects of the investment plan. 1. New AI manufacturing facility. Apple plans to establish a 250,000 square foot AI server manufacturing facility in Houston, Texas, with operations expected to begin in 2026. This facility will be pivotal in producing servers for Apple Intelligence, the company's AI personal assistant system, which is integral to various Apple products. 2. Investment breakdown. Doubling the Advanced Manufacturing Fund. Apple announced the doubling of its U.S. Advanced Manufacturing Fund from $5 billion to $10 billion. This fund is designed to support high-skilled manufacturing jobs and foster innovation across the country. Manufacturing Academy in Michigan. Apple will open a manufacturing academy in Michigan aimed at training the next generation of workers in advanced manufacturing techniques, particularly focusing on AI integration and smart manufacturing practices. 3. Job creation. The investment is projected to create approximately 20,000 new jobs across various sectors, including research and development, R&D, silicon engineering, software development, and AI and machine learning. This move aligns with Apple's commitment to bolstering local economies and enhancing the skill sets of American workers. For tax contributions, Apple emphasized its role as a significant contributor to the U.S. economy, having paid over $75 billion in taxes over the past 5 years, which includes $19 billion in 2024 alone. This highlights the company's substantial economic impact beyond job creation. 5. Collaboration with suppliers. The initiative will involve collaboration with thousands of suppliers in all 50 states, building on Apple's existing support of over 2.9 million jobs through direct employment and partnerships with U.S.-based manufacturers. 6. A research and development expansion. Apple has nearly doubled its U.S.-based R&D spending in the past 5 years and aims to continue this trend. The investment will focus on advanced fields including custom silicon, AI, and machine learning, reinforcing Apple's commitment to innovation and technological leadership. 7. Educational initiatives. The Apple Manufacturing Academy will provide free training and resources to small and medium-sized enterprises to help them adopt smart manufacturing practices. Additionally, Apple supports educational initiatives such as the New Silicon Initiative, aimed at preparing students for careers in hardware engineering and silicon chip design. Timeline of events. February 24, 2025, Apple publicly announces its ambitious $500 billion investment plan, detailing its plans for the Texas-based AI server factory, the Michigan Manufacturing Academy, and the expansion of its Advanced Manufacturing Fund. Context and significance. This announcement comes at a time when there is increasing pressure on U.S. companies to prioritize domestic manufacturing. The Trump administration had been vocal about the need for companies to bring production back to the U.S., offering incentives and imposing tariffs on imports to encourage domestic manufacturing. Apple's plan reflects a proactive approach to align with these national interests while simultaneously investing in future technologies. Apple's commitment to creating high-paying jobs and enhancing innovation in the U.S. underscores its long-term strategy to lead in the tech industry while contributing positively to the economy. The focus on AI and silicon engineering indicates Apple's intent to stay at the forefront of technological advancements, particularly as the demand for AI capabilities continues to grow. Conclusion. In summary, Apple's announcement of a $500 billion investment in the U.S. marks a pivotal moment in the company's history and the broader landscape of American manufacturing and technology. By focusing on AI, advanced manufacturing, and job creation, Apple is not only reinforcing its commitment to innovation but also taking significant steps to contribute to the U.S. economy and workforce development in the years to come. This initiative signifies a broader trend where major corporations are increasingly looking to invest in domestic capabilities, reflecting a shift towards prioritizing local economies and technological advancements. Counterintuitive insights from Apple's $500 billion investment announcement. 1. Massive investment yet job automation. While Apple's plan to create 20,000 new jobs seems beneficial for the economy, the simultaneous focus on AI and advanced manufacturing indicates a trend toward automation. This could mean that many of these jobs may not be traditional manufacturing roles, as automation technologies could replace certain tasks, leading to fewer jobs than expected in the long term. 2. Environmental focus amid industrial growth. Apple's commitment to ensuring that its data centers operate on 100% renewable energy raises questions about the environmental impact of expanding manufacturing capabilities. The introduction of advanced silicon chip manufacturing, which typically involves energy-intensive processes, suggests a paradox where the company seeks to grow its carbon footprint while simultaneously promoting sustainability. 3. Increased manufacturing yet reliance on global supply chains. Despite the announcement of increased domestic manufacturing and the opening of new facilities, Apple continues to heavily rely on global supply chains, particularly for components. This indicates a complexity in their strategy where domestic production does not necessarily equate to a fully localized supply chain. 4. Training initiatives in an evolutionary market. The establishment of a manufacturing academy and various training initiatives appears to be a proactive approach to workforce development. However, the fast-paced evolution of technology, especially in AI and silicon engineering, may render some of this training obsolete by the time it is fully implemented, suggesting a misalignment between immediate corporate needs and long-term workforce skill development. 5. Tax contributions versus corporate strategy. Apple's emphasis on its tax contributions, claiming to have paid over $75 billion in the past 5 years, may seem like a positive corporate citizenship narrative. However, it contrasts with public scrutiny over corporate tax strategies that often involve minimizing tax burdens through various loopholes, leading to skepticism about the true nature of their economic contributions. 6. Political influence and corporate strategy. The timing of Apple's announcement in relation to political pressures, particularly from the Trump administration, suggests that the investment may also be a strategic response to external pressures rather than purely an initiative driven by market demands or corporate goals. This raises questions about the authenticity of corporate commitments in a politically charged environment. 7. Focus on AI amid concerns over job displacement. Apple's investment in AI technologies coincides with growing societal concerns regarding job displacement due to automation and AI. While the investment is framed as a forward-looking approach to innovation, it may inadvertently contribute to fears of job loss in traditional sectors. 8. Silicon engineering as a double-edged sword. The doubling of the U.S. Advanced Manufacturing Fund to support silicon engineering could be seen as a positive step towards innovation. However, it also underscores a potential shift in focus from software development and user-centered design to hardware-centric approaches, potentially alienating segments of the workforce skilled in software and service-oriented roles. 9. Regional disparities in job creation. While the investment promises job creation across various states, the specific locations of new facilities may highlight regional disparities in economic development. States with existing technological infrastructures may benefit more than others, potentially widening economic gaps within the country. 10. Public image versus reality. Apple's grand announcement and the accompanying rhetoric of commitment to American manufacturing and job creation may serve more as a public relations strategy than a genuine effort to reshape its operational footprint. This dissonance between corporate messaging and public perception could lead to skepticism among stakeholders and the general public regarding the sincerity of their commitments. In conclusion, while Apple's investment announcement appears overwhelmingly positive, the underlying complexities and potential contradictions reveal a more nuanced reality that challenges the straightforward narrative of corporate responsibility and economic impact. Apple's announcement of a $500 billion investment plan in the United States is a monumental commitment that underscores the company's intent to bolster American innovation and manufacturing capabilities. While the headlines focus on the scale of the investment and the creation of new jobs, there are several critical and nuanced aspects of the report that deserve deeper examination, as they may be overlooked by the general public. 1. Significant focus on AI infrastructure. One of the most pivotal elements of this announcement is the establishment of a new AI server manufacturing facility in Houston, Texas, which is expected to begin operations in 2026. The significance of this facility extends beyond mere job creation. It represents a strategic move to localize the production of servers that support Apple Intelligence. Apple's AI personal assistant. This not only enhances Apple's capacity to innovate in AI but also reflects a broader trend in the tech industry towards onshore production, which can lead to greater control over supply chains and improved security protocols. The servers produced at this facility will play a crucial role in the functioning of AI applications, particularly in the context of Apple's ambitious plans for AI integration across its product ecosystem. This signals a long-term vision where Apple intends to not only utilize AI but also lead in its development, a critical factor in maintaining competitiveness in the rapidly evolving tech landscape. 2. Doubling the Advanced Manufacturing Fund. Apple's decision to double its U.S. Advanced Manufacturing Fund from $5 billion to $10 billion is another significant aspect that may be overlooked. This fund is crucial for fostering innovation and supporting high-skilled manufacturing jobs. The expansion of this fund demonstrates Apple's commitment to not just manufacturing but cultivating a robust ecosystem for advanced manufacturing technologies in the U.S. This investment could stimulate local economies and create a ripple effect, prompting other companies to follow suit. It highlights a shift in the corporate mindset towards investing in domestic capabilities, especially in high-tech sectors that are vital for future growth. The implications for the semiconductor industry in particular are profound, as Apple plans to leverage this fund to support chip production in collaboration with TSMC in Arizona, which could lead to a more resilient semiconductor supply chain in North America. 3. Educational and training initiatives. Perhaps the most understated but significant aspect of Apple's investment is the establishment of the Apple Manufacturing Academy in Michigan. This initiative aims to provide training and resources for small and medium-sized businesses to adopt advanced manufacturing techniques and integrate AI into their operations. The Academy's focus on skills development in project management and manufacturing process optimization is essential for preparing the workforce for the future. In an era where technological advancement often outpaces workforce skills, this proactive approach to education and training could play a vital role in ensuring that American workers are equipped for the jobs of tomorrow. By investing in human capital, Apple is not only enhancing its operational capabilities but is also contributing to the long-term sustainability of the manufacturing sector in the U.S. 4. Environmental and energy efficiency considerations. The report also notes that the new AI servers will be designed for energy efficiency, aligning with Apple's commitment to renewable energy. This aspect is particularly significant given the increasing scrutiny on tech companies regarding their environmental impact. Apple's investment in energy-efficient infrastructure reflects a growing awareness of corporate responsibility and sustainability. By committing to energy-efficient practices, Apple sets a precedent for other companies in the tech sector to follow suit. This not only enhances Apple's corporate image but also addresses broader societal concerns about climate change and energy consumption, positioning the company as a leader in sustainable business practices. 5. Broader economic implications. Beyond immediate job creation and technological advancements, Apple's investment has the potential to influence economic policies and manufacturing strategies across the U.S. The scale of this investment could attract attention from policymakers and competitors alike, prompting discussions around tariffs, trade policies, and incentives for domestic production. By emphasizing its role as a major taxpayer and employer, Apple is framing its investment as not just beneficial for the company but as a contribution to the national economy. This narrative could generate public support for policies that favor domestic manufacturing and innovation, which are essential for economic resilience in an increasingly competitive global market. Conclusion. In summary, while the headline figures of Apple's $500 billion investment might dominate the discourse, the underlying themes of strategic infrastructure development and AI commitment to education and skills training, environmental responsibility, and potential economic implications are equally important. These components reveal a multifaceted approach that could redefine the landscape of American manufacturing and technology, making Apple's announcement a pivotal moment not just for the company but for the industry and economy at large. Understanding these nuances will be crucial for stakeholders as they navigate the evolving dynamics of technology, labor, and economic policy in the coming years. 1. Significant economic impact and job creation. Apple's announcement of a $500 billion investment in the U.S. over the next 4 years is poised to create around 20,000 new jobs. This investment will primarily focus on research and development, R&D, silicon engineering, software development, and artificial intelligence (AI), which not only reflects Apple's commitment to innovation but also aims to enhance the skill sets of American workers. The establishment of a new manufacturing facility in Texas for AI server production underlines the importance of local job creation, particularly in high-tech sectors. 2. Expansion of the Advanced Manufacturing Fund. By doubling its U.S. Advanced Manufacturing Fund from $5 billion to $10 billion, Apple is reinforcing its commitment to supporting high-skilled manufacturing jobs and innovation across the country. This fund will help promote advanced manufacturing processes and skills development, essential for maintaining competitiveness in a rapidly evolving technological landscape. The partnership with TSMC in Arizona for chip production highlights the strategic importance of domestic manufacturing capabilities in the semiconductor industry. 3. Educational initiatives and skills development. The launch of the Apple Manufacturing Academy in Michigan signifies a strong investment in workforce education and training. This initiative aims to equip small and medium-sized businesses with the knowledge to implement smart manufacturing techniques and improve productivity. Coupled with programs like the New Silicon Initiative, which prepares students for careers in hardware engineering and silicon chip design, Apple is actively contributing to the development of a skilled workforce ready for the challenges of the future tech economy. 4. Apple's role as a major taxpayer and economic contributor. Apple's commitment to the U.S. economy extends beyond job creation to include substantial tax contributions. Over the past 5 years, Apple has paid over $75 billion in U.S. taxes, including $19 billion in 2024 alone. This positions Apple not only as a key player in the tech industry but also as a responsible corporate citizen contributing to the public good. The company's extensive collaboration with suppliers across all 50 states further amplifies its economic impact, supporting millions of jobs and fostering local economies. These points encapsulate Apple's strategic vision for innovation, economic growth, and community development in the United States, setting the stage for future advancements in technology and manufacturing. 1. The Marshall Plan. 1948. After World War II, the United States initiated the Marshall Plan, a significant economic aid program aimed at rebuilding war-torn Europe. The U.S. invested around $13 billion, approximately $150 billion in today's dollars, to help restore the economies of European nations, stabilize governments, and promote political stability. This plan was crucial in fostering economic recovery, preventing the spread of communism, and establishing strong trade relationships between Europe and the United States. 2. The New Deal. 1933 to 1939. In response to the Great Depression, President Franklin D. Roosevelt implemented the New Deal, a series of programs and reforms aimed at revitalizing the American economy. The New Deal involved significant government investment in infrastructure, job creation, and social welfare programs. Key initiatives included the Civilian Conservation Corps (CCC) and the Public Works Administration (PWA), which helped to create millions of jobs and build essential infrastructure, thereby stimulating economic recovery and providing relief to struggling Americans. 3. The Apollo Program 1961 to 1972. The Apollo program was a U.S. government initiative aimed at landing humans on the moon and bringing them safely back to Earth. Initiated during the Cold War, this ambitious program required extensive investment in technology engineering and workforce development. The program cost approximately $25.4 billion, roughly $150 billion in today's dollars, and led to significant advancements in various fields including materials science, telecommunications, and computer technology, while also inspiring a generation to pursue careers in science and engineering. Apple's announcement on February 24, 2025 regarding its $500 billion investment in the United States marks a significant commitment to innovation, job creation, and advanced manufacturing, particularly in artificial intelligence (AI) and silicon engineering. This investment is poised to reshape the technological landscape in the U.S. over the next 4 years and beyond. Here's a future outlook based on this initiative. 1. Technological advancements in AI and manufacturing. The establishment of a 250,000 square foot AI server manufacturing facility in Houston, Texas, is a cornerstone of Apple's plan. This facility will not only produce servers for Apple Intelligence but also signify a shift toward more localized production of critical technology components. As Apple ramps up its AI capabilities, we can anticipate advancements in machine learning and AI applications across its product lines. The integration of AI into everyday technology will likely enhance user experiences, making devices smarter and more responsive. 2. Job creation and economic impact. Apple's commitment to developing 20,000 new jobs in the U.S. will have a ripple effect on local economies. These positions will primarily focus on R&D, silicon engineering, software development, and AI, contributing to a more skilled workforce in these high-demand areas. This job growth is expected to stimulate regional economies, particularly in states like Texas and Michigan, where Apple's new manufacturing academy will train the next generation of manufacturers. The focus on skills development will also prepare workers for the evolving job market, aligning with future technological needs. 3. Sustainability and energy efficiency. As part of its manufacturing expansion, Apple emphasizes energy efficiency and sustainability. The new AI servers are designed to be energy efficient, reducing the overall energy demands of data centers. Apple's commitment to running its data centers on 100% renewable energy will likely set a standard for the tech industry, pushing other companies to adopt similar practices. This trend toward sustainable manufacturing and energy usage will resonate with consumers and investors alike, potentially influencing market dynamics. 4. Enhanced collaboration with suppliers. Apple's investment will bolster its relationships with suppliers nationwide, reinforcing its supply chain resilience. By working with thousands of suppliers across all 50 states, Apple is likely to create a more integrated and efficient supply chain, minimizing disruptions caused by global uncertainties. This collaborative approach can lead to innovations in manufacturing processes and materials, enhancing product quality and performance. 5. Growth of R&D and innovation hubs. With plans to double its U.S. Advanced Manufacturing Fund from $5 billion to $10 billion, Apple aims to amplify its research and development efforts significantly. This funding will facilitate groundbreaking innovations in custom silicon and AI technologies. As Apple continues to attract top talent in these fields, we can expect to see a surge in technological advancements, potentially leading to new products and features that redefine user interaction. 6. Educational initiatives and workforce development. The creation of the Apple Manufacturing Academy in Michigan represents a proactive approach to workforce development. By providing free training and consultation to small and medium-sized businesses, Apple will help foster a culture of innovation in manufacturing. Programs like the new Silicon Initiative, which prepares students for careers in hardware engineering and silicon chip design, will ensure a steady pipeline of talent equipped to meet future demands in the tech industry. 7. Impact on competitors and the tech industry. Apple's extensive investment could influence other tech giants to reconsider their own strategies regarding domestic manufacturing and R&D. As competition heightens in areas like AI and advanced manufacturing, companies may feel pressure to invest similarly or risk falling behind. This could lead to an overall enhancement of the tech ecosystem in the U.S., promoting innovation and collaboration. 8. Long-term economic growth. In the broader economic context, Apple's investment aligns with national interests in revitalizing manufacturing in the U.S. This could lead to a more robust economy, reduced dependency on foreign manufacturing, and enhanced national security concerning technological production. As Apple continues to pay significant taxes and support local economies, its role as a corporate citizen will likely inspire other businesses to adopt similar commitments. 9. Global implications. Apple's initiative may also have global repercussions, particularly concerning trade relationships and international supply chains. As the U.S. tech sector strengthens due to increased domestic production, it may alter the dynamics of global trade, particularly with countries where Apple has historically outsourced production. Conclusion. Apple's $500 billion investment in the U.S. represents a transformative opportunity for technological innovation, economic growth, and workforce development. As the company implements its plans over the next 4 years, we can expect significant advancements in AI-enhanced manufacturing capabilities and a broader impact on the U.S. economy. This initiative not only positions Apple as a leader in technology but also sets a precedent for responsible corporate investment in the future of American innovation.